Here's a 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. Whether it's where you can go or what you can expect in an SUV, pushing boundaries is the spirit of Tiguan. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rearview mirror, driver memory seats, power heated mirrors, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports crash test results for the Tiguan have been excellent, and Volkswagen continues to offer a few more safety features than you'd typically expect to see in a small crossover. Volkswagen, performance you'd expect with the precision of German engineering. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Volkswagen of Inver Grove, creating customers for life. We are conveniently located at 1325 50th Street East in Inver-Grove-Heights, Minnesota, near Highway 494 and Robert Street, across from Best Buy.